Stay on the cutting edge of your vehicle's graphene protection routine with WeatherTech's product line. Graphene Prime Coating, Graphene Refresh, and Graphene Quick Gloss all make it easy to establish and maintain your finish over time. Let's take a closer look. First, you'll need to create a hard, shiny base with our proprietary Graphene Prime Coating. Unlike inferior products, our graphene molecules are attached to the ceramic, offering the most advanced coating technology on the market. Customers report that just one application can last 7 years or more. Every few months, you may find you need a refresh. That's where our Graphene Refresh comes into play. It's packed with extra resins, microemulsions, and the same graphene oxide ceramic resins found in TechCare's ceramic coating range. It restores your finish to the way it looked on the day you applied it. For a quick boost on the go, just spray and wipe our Graphene Quick Gloss to extend the life of your finish. Or use Graphene Quick Gloss on its own for standalone protection with beautiful shine and water beading. All three state-of-the-art graphene products are 100% made in America for WeatherTech.